Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Shelby.
Jason.
The drama.
Always.
The suspense. The everything in life.
I was a theater major.
So I just thought too, like, if you guys want us to react to any musical theater, we haven't really done that.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, let us know if that would be a thing you want, and we can throw that in at some point.
Please say yes.
Yeah.
Please say that you want that.
We love some musical theater.
Love it so much.
So before we get to that, we should get to this where we're here today.
Yeah.
So our video today, but even before that,
Hit subscribe.
bum, bum, bum.
Follow on Patreon.
Do all the things. We have more for you. We love
Look,
love the feedback.
It's like I know how to do this.
Yeah, that's right. So today we're gonna go react to Psychic Fever. This is new. We don't know this group at all. Haven't heard of them. Sorry.
Nope.
Was
Featuring
a request.
JP the Wavy.
Was a request that came in. So let's get to it.
Just like
See
that.
what Psychic Fever does. They got my attention.
Sweet. There's like a bunch of them. 7?
Oh. I can't keep up.
My cultural mind is being blown. Look at his grill.
Whoa. Those dance moves are great.
The in and out of, is it Japanese? In English?
Yeah.
Back and forth.
The color changes are super cool.
Yeah.
Cool tone.
Yeah? Yeah? Very nice.
You knew it was coming.
It definitely is giving bye 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 vibes.
Yeah, totally.
Is he the guy who grew up at the beginning?
Yeah, I think
He
so.
looks so different. I don't know if that's the same guy.
It might not be.
I think it was a
The
different guy.
tone sounds different, so
Yeah,
you might be
yeah.
right. It's a different guy.
Seven.
I love those little dance moves. Yeah. Your turn.
Just like that. For real, for real. They even did FR,
I love it.
FR,
FR, FR. That was good.
For real, for real. Like the kids say.
That little high note there is nice. I mean, okay, right out of the gate, I just got to say, like, there was so much going on. There's 7 of them to start with. All the dance moves really fast, all the movement fast. The words. This was trippy for me. I don't know if it was you, but like, I'm trying to read the English, but I'm hearing how fast not only the song is, but in Japanese, how fast the lyric is.
Right.
With all the words.
Yes.
And my mind could not keep up with any of it.
I think it's because
It
we're
was like-
elderly.
That
might be why.
That might be why. But it was so good. Like, it just, what I'm saying is, all of my senses were just like on point, trying to like keep up with all the fast movement and great melodic sounds that were happening. And I enjoyed it. It was really fun.
I was not expecting the rap to start the song.
Yeah.
With, I'm not sure who it was. Maybe it was JP the Wavy. I don't know. Maybe it was Psychic Fever guy.
You're right. It might be JP the Wavy.
Or group. Somebody in the group. But like I think it's different. This is not the same person.
You know, that's what they called me in high school, is JP the Wavy.
Well, anyway, the rapping really threw me at the very beginning. And not because I've never heard people rap before, but because I saw this group. And, you know, a lot of times when we see some of these Asian boy bands, they're very much so singers, right? And so all of a sudden, straight out of the gate, we got somebody like throwing down. And he's got a grill.
I was like,
whoa, blowing my cultural mind.
I love it.
What I said, but I'm here for it all the way.
Yeah. That's one of the things I love about all these videos and reacting, because people ask often, they're like, why do you do that? Is it fun? Whatever. And I'm like, yes, we actually have a lot of fun doing this. Number two, I get exposed to so much music that I would never.
Right.
And we get exposed to so much culture.
Yeah.
And we even get it wrong sometimes. We'll be like, you know.
Sorry.
Yeah. Shelby will be like, well, they're from the Philippines. And I'm like, no, Shelby, they're from like South Carolina. But, you know,
it's not that bad.
It's not that bad. But like, it's fun to learn things that we might initially just have like a knee-jerk reaction judgment on because we've not been exposed to a culture.
Yeah, we've never seen that before.
Or
like,
seen
wait, this looks different in America.
Yeah, we all do it. Even people from other countries do it with us and other people. So it's just a natural human thing, but we've learned so much through it. It's really fun.
Yeah.
I think we are way smarter and way more educated because of this silliness, which is...
I agree.
Interesting.
I agree.
Right? You can do silly things and learn so much.
Yeah.
And you can learn a lot and be stupid as a rock.
Yeah. Dumb as a rock.
Dumb as a rock.
I think is how the saying goes.
Case in point.
Case in point. Hey, until next time, from one dummy to the...
Not me.
Carlos.
Not the people.
I'm Jason Catrone, not the people.
I'm Shelby Rollins.
We have the smartest, most lovely, fascinating, and beautiful audience in the world. Thank you for joining us at Vocal Lab Collective. Until next time.